Okay, I have to record this entrance on my phone because it's 1896 and I can't get anything coordinated here. So, this video is the first video in a series of what's going to be many of me restoring my 1967 F-100. It's a two-wheel drive, two-door, short bed. Had an inline six, that's gone. Had a 3 on the tree, that's gone. Actually, it didn't come with a transmission, so whatever. I bought the truck whole. I bought the truck as a full, non-running vehicle, but it was complete. But the video in this series is going to start with me taking the glass out of the cab, and you'll see it's just the cab at this point. And unfortunately, my phone got stolen, and I lost all the videos of me disassembling the truck. So this starts with me taking the glass out, and all right, okay. He's a liquor and a squirter. He pees for everything. This video. Yeah. So you'll see it's just the cab at this point. From moving forward, this is how the video series is going to go. It's going to be me building the cab and then building the rest of the truck with it. Like I said, I missed all the videos of me disassembling it. The story with this truck is I bought it from Monroe Township, New Jersey, the township next door to me. And it's a truck I had my eye on for about 3 or 4 months. It was advertised on Craigslist, and I don't know, something about it spoke to me, you know? Magnetism is a weird thing. So I went to go look at the truck and wound up going home with it for $400. But I paid $480 because, as you'll see, I have a lawnmower in the back. I paid $80 for a John Deere lawnmower that I'm going to restore one day. And, yeah, and the rust was significant when I went to go look at it. But what was attractive to me was that it had all its original glass. Minus the back window, as you'll come to find out. And I saw the truck was rusty, and I don't even think rusty is the word. It was cancerous. It was plagued with cancer. And I knew the doors were gone. I knew the floors were gone. The bed floor from one of the bed sides was completely detached. I mean, it was sloppy. And I wanted it anyway. I wanted a challenge. I wanted to restore this truck. And at this point, I needed a project. I was just getting done. I just sold my Mustang, which I put a lot of work into. And I wanted something else to do. And it's hard to deny a two-door, two-wheel drive, short bed truck, at least for me. So I was like, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take this challenge on, and I'm going to win. And this is the first video of what's probably going to be many in this series of me getting this girl back on the road. And at this point in my life, a lot has been done on the cab, and I have a lot of footage to post. But I'm going to start here with the windshield and the removal of it. So enjoy, and enjoy. Today I'm going to unwrap the Ford. As you can see, my entire tent has collapsed since the last time I worked on it. I threw this over the truck last Friday on a snowstorm. I lost my Android phone in the process. Still haven't found it. I believe it to be somewhere on the property, but today is after I unwrap the truck. I'm thinking I'd like to get the windshield out. I'm gonna cut it out only because the mount, the base that I built for the truck out of wood, it's not doing so well, and I'm afraid the truck is going to tip over at any moment and possibly break its original windows, which would be absolutely devastating to me. So I'm going to get it unwrapped, and then we'll go from there. Play with the dog in the meantime. Let's go play with the puppy. Ready?
I found my phone after a week of not finding it. And let me tell you, my parents and I have looked vigorously for this phone. But I have another one on the way anyway, so I'm just gonna transfer my data and then... Okay, let's take a look at this thing. This is what's gonna come out. I want the windshield out today. So I have to somehow break the seal. And I've only taken one windshield out in my life. I'm gonna put one in. So I'm gonna have to figure out how it goes without breaking the window. It's still a chilly day outside. I'm gonna try to tie a knot at this end, and hopefully that'll help me release the windshield. Pulling this back through. Okay, did not work. I just broke the rope. Okay, so next thing for the windshield is I'm saying fuck it and I'm cutting it out from the inside, and I'm hopefully it's gonna pop out from the outside. You see I got some rust forming up in the cab here. So this is all gonna get cut away too. I'm gonna need your help when you go back in.
What are you gonna do?
Taking the windshield out.
Alright.
Because I don't trust this cart to not collapse.
Yeah.
So I don't want the windshield to crack.
Alright.
Yep. Okay, I can see how it's working now. I just realized this is pretty much a frameless mirror. Old school frameless mirror. I love it. I love it. That's definitely an element that we have to keep. That is a non-negotiable. Oof, look at all that rust. That is not good. Corners require extra special attention. Okay, you can see all the rust that was left behind from me just knifing out the rubber. See all this? There's even holes I found right there. So, you know, only so much I can do about that. So this should be able, the outside molding should be able to stay. This is the first time it's been off the truck since the assembly line.
Yeah.
Can you push right there? Right there in that corner? Yeah, that's it. Okay. I got it. Oh, beautiful. Flip it that way.
Can you hold it?
I have to hold
back
it.
here.
I got bubble wrap laid out on the table.
Yeah, I want to get away from this stuff here.
I got it. Getting this thing, getting the rubber off is gonna be a whole nother challenge for another time. Okay, cool. Wow. Yay. Thank you, Dad.
You're gonna need new rubber anyway. Look at this, it's all.
Oh, I cut it out. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's
Took the paint with it.
Yeah.
This is what I was worried about because I found some rust in the roof too. Some holes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So when it's time before the windshield goes back in, all this is gonna get
This will all
taken care of.
all right here.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna re-seam seal the roof and everything.
Yeah. Good.
For now, I think the back windshield's coming out next. Back window. Did you see the mirror on this truck? It's frameless.
Is it?
I didn't know they made frameless mirrors back then. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's a nice mirror.
It'll be cheaper that way.
Yeah.
Looks like this rear window's cracked anyway.
No, that's the
Is that just the...
That's the tint. Vacuum this up for real quick. You can see the seams have been coming apart. You know, the body seams right here, like the pinch welds.
Yeah.
So you can see what's going on.
The original color.
Oh yeah. This truck was never painted.
Yeah, no,
They just did the accents to it.
I say this is... We had these trucks at work and they say the same color.
Uh-huh.
They faded like this. All right.
Thank you for your help then.
Got it.
What are you doing right now?
Nothing really.
Do you want to help me try to take this back windshield out? Can you get that? Is there like a... Get this through? I mean, I'd say screw this thing and just cut it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. It's just... It's all broken apart.
Oh, I just cracked it. Shatterproof. You know, I don't think this is the original rear glass. It says shatterproof on it, and I just shattered it. But everything forward says Carlite on it.
That's an old one.
You can cut that out. Lost the blade?
Yeah.
Doesn't like to stay in that knife. Layouts.
Jess,
Yeah. Ready?
it's starting to come out.
All right.
We'll put it on the thing, so.
I got it. Can we get this off? You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Over. No, never mind. Wrapping it up. Perfect. Thank you, Dad. Now the cab is glassless. Thanks for your help, Dad. Hello, puppy dog. Little puppy dog, all he wants to do is play like a little puppy dog. Yeah, you. You puppy. You puppy. And here's the cab without its glass. You can see the piles of rust on the dashboard and on the rear window. And to this point, nothing's been done to the truck to fix it other than brace it. You can see the bracing in the doors. But that's really it. So this truly is the beginning of it. Okay, so we just got the glass out, as you've seen. Monumentous event. I wasn't planning on initially when I began this project to take the glass out. I was just gonna build around it, and then I honestly don't know what my thought process was, because I knew I was gonna have to get the rust in there and all the paint and everything, and because I was planning on painting the truck. So now that it's out, super happy, very, very relieved. Just because it's original glass, you know, they're not making any more of it. Next thing, I'm gonna bubble wrap it, and then we're gonna get back to the metal work on the truck. Da 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 da.